Which color is this? Maroon. What is it?
This is golden maroon. Okay, we have a maroon with some touch of gold. Yeah, maroon with some touch of gold. So tutaanza
na shears.
Tutaanza na shears. So hiyo shears weka kwa hiyo ya nyuma, and for me I put here. Bana, tunaonekana hapo, confirm.
Mko.
So we are unwrapping.
We are unwrapping our new curtains. So we have the shears. The curtain is like this. We have some shears here. And then we have the curtain itself. Okay. Nimerapiwa guys.
I tell you.
Yes. Where do I open? Yeah, so this is the curtain itself. Kushika hivyo tuwaonyesha. It's beautiful. Wow. Ni two. There are two pairs. Yeah, so there are two pairs. Actually, tuna record ile ongezeo. So guys, here is how our curtain looks like.
Which color is this? Maroon. What is it?
This is golden maroon. Okay, we have a maroon with some touch of gold. Yeah, maroon with some touch of gold. So tutaanza
na shears.
Tutaanza na shears. So hiyo shears weka kwa hiyo ya nyuma, and for me I put here. Bana, tunaonekana hapo, confirm.
Mko.
Usiguze, inaonekana?
Wote.
Yeah, so hizi curtain rods. Tutashikilia hii kwanza. So you make sure umeweka vizuri more. So we are starting with our shears, guys. As you can see. And I'm telling you it's white. So easy. Uchafuka ni mbio. Hey. So this one is there. How unaweka aje? Ensure unaweka vizuri.
Yeah, iko sawa.
No. Ebu hapo nini nimeweka angalia hiyo yako.
Sisi nimeingiza, look at it.
No, it's not okay.
Inside out ama?
Not inside these things. Look at you sana uangalie hizi zangu. Umeona?
Okay, I've seen.
You have seen. So, what I'm going to do is to anaweka. You know, my brother, he is a man. He don't know these things.
Yes.
So, I have to teach him. So you do like this. Hebu tutoe tu yote kwanza. Toa tu yote hivi. Haya, ilete hapo. So what you do, unashika hivi. Unaona? Hebu angalia vile naweka, unawekanga hivi. So unaweka hivi. Unaona nimeweka hapa. Unapitishia nyuma, mbele. Ni kama unashona nyuma, mbele, nyuma hivi. So ni kama unashona. Haya. Ni kubwa. So hivyo. Alafu sasa iweke ekea juu. Okay, sawa tu. So you can see how our shears are looking like. Then we install our curtain. So hapa tutaweka hizi. Hii dirisha ni kubwa, sijui itatosha ngapi. But better ni mbili. So acha tuone hapa. Itatosha. Hizi vitu walikaza. So Let us install our curtain. Yeah, hivyo sasa. Kama zinaanza space iko better. So shikilia hapa nilete hii curtain nyingine. Mani stadia tu hapa. I hope yours ni yangu iko na space. Because I'm has to digest kwa hiyo. Actually tuna vlog. Okay, korodo aje na ulikia. So guys, you can see how our curtains are looking like, and because it's during the day, so we set them. Wow, wow, wow. So you can see, zinakaa vizuri. Hii muha unaikaa hivi. Okay, umeweka nyuma ya nini? It's okay, sorry. So bado hapo. Hey guys, we have a lot of work to do. Hii ulitoa aje? Imefungiwa wapi?
Just that.
So we also have another pair here. So for here, we are going to do one curtain. Yeah. Yeah. So let us finish here, then we go to the dining area window there. Yes. Sawa, ameletewa. Let's see whether it's recording. Yeah. Whew.
So move out the way.
So you can see.
Nje.
So guys, you can see how our shears are looking like. Let me show you before we go to the other window. So guys, this is how our curtains are looking like. You can see how beautiful they are. You know, in the village for sure, ziko tu sawa, ziko best in the world. Yeah, so this is the, yeah, so we are still making them. And so we will be going to the dining area section. We also install, oh, we have another, here, let us do it. Tutoe hii ya kitambo to install the new one. So let us do this. But I think with here, yeah, let us do it. So we also at the door. Pale kwa nini? Toa hiyo. So guys, let us do this area. Open this door because you're lighting. So with here, I don't know whether the shears will be enough, but I believe they will. Hapa kwa mlango, I'm feeling like we should only do a shear, or we do both.
No, let's do it here.
The shear only. Yeah. So let us. We are done with one curtain. The only remaining part is this. So here is the other curtain, but with the window, with the door, we are going to do only the shear. I don't feel the need of this upper window.
It's too long.
Why? It's too long. There are two. Oh, it's one.
It's one, but
It's too long. Sure. Yeah. So what shall we do with
let's
this?
keep it
Try.
long. Well, it's
Let
long.
us do it double.
Oh,
Ah, Charlie!
Not yet.
Content, bana. Eh.
maybe this way.
Okay, but yeah, inaweza kuwa inafungwa usiku. But sasa I think inaweza kuwa fanyiwa hemming.
Hemming.
Yaani kutrace. So let us do it like this. Shika mbili.
So
Tashanisha.
Okay.
So guys, I think we shall do it like this. Sindio? Yeah, then during the night, the day we can squeeze it. So I think we should use this one. But we have wamekaza. Thank you. Ile content man.
Uko sawa. Nikuulize. Hizi pasi unajua kuna nje na kuna ndani.
Si ndio?
Nje ni wapi na ndani ni wapi?
Nje aje?
Bukuza hii. Bukuza hii line. Iko
Magarama ni hivyo ndo
iko wapi line imetajwa wapi?
Huku ndio na ndani. Huku ndio na ndani.
Huku ndio nje. Hebu angalia hiyo nayo sasa. You see the same meaning. So which one is right and which one is wrong? Somewhere we
tumeweka the same. But here haina shida. Hebu tuone shida.
Isa hii inastahili tani.
Mbona tutatanisha tu.
Bomba ikikuja.
Ata watch. Utasikia tu hapa sasa. Correction.
Yeah, that way. Yeah, so guys, we are done with our cutting, first turn of cuttings. First what? So here are our cuttings. Naona zinakaa vizuri. Yeah. And then hapo kwa mlango tumeweka shear pekee. So let us go direct to the dining area which is there and unwrap. We are not yet done. Let's go to the dining area window. So Moha, utaleta hapa. So guys, this is the dining area window and here are our dining, and we are not yet unwrapped them, so we are going to do it with you. But let us first of all do this. Let us do the dining area curtain. Come with that one, or you can take another. Just take another pair. Yeah. So guys, let us install our dining area chairs. Our lighting here is not that good, so you don't have to worry, but we got you guys. So here are the chairs. Come, kuja tu na moja complete. Yeah, so here are our curtains. So you see we have installed our living room, and now we have our, so hapa ni shear na curtain zingine mbili. So hapa, so here is our shear. Hapa mhauta install tu ndio record. Because tukiweka huko lighting ni mbovu. So guys, just bear with us with the lighting. Where? Yeah, so we are installing our dining area curtains. Chris alirudi. Umetengeneza mboga? Hawa walikula?
Wameshaenda nyumbani wamekula. Tunawaambia waende.
Hebu uliza shosho hiyo mboga uleta ufanyie ni juu unafaa upikie shosho. Na umekaa.
It's tiresome.
It's tiresome work. Inakuwa tiresome. So guys, you don't have to worry about the lighting. Ni vile hiyo dirisha hiyo side kuna lighting hapo. Set them kama zile sasa.
Just find them out. Kama zimefunga.
Hapo mlango bado unadunga hivi.
Mlango ni
tumeweka tu share.
pekee.